Transform your home into a sanctuary of clean air with the new Kenmore PM2010 Air Purifier. Breathe cleaner air with Kenmore PM2010 Air Purifiers. Experience peace with SilentClean Technology, whisper-quiet operation that protects your sleep and tranquility. Breathe healthier with True HEPA Filtration, capturing 99.97% of dust, pollen, and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Stay effortlessly protected with smart sensors that adapt purification levels to your environment in real time. Enjoy clean air everywhere with powerful coverage for large rooms up to 300 square feet. Keep your air pure with ease, thanks to simple, hassle-free filter maintenance. Save on energy bills with an energy-efficient design that's kind to your wallet and the planet. Enhance your home's aesthetic with a sleek, contemporary design that fits any decor. Join the Kenmore family and breathe easier today. Order today for $119.99.